Oh, come on, you could do better than that. you're good. Remember Dad broke 2 bowls from doing that? Yeah, that was so cool. Mom, just like, as in, you have it in a big ball. Wow, you're actually good at that. I've never seen you do that. Oh, that's so cool.
Spoon keeps bending.
Power mixing. Oh my god! Looks like... What does it look like? Ah, thanks, Mom. That's so cool. Yay! It's much better because it's all mixed. Thanks, Mom. Yay!